AngelList online job platform review usage experience. In today's video, we're reviewing AngelList, an online job platform tailored for startups and tech companies. If you're interested in checking it out, you can find the link in the description below to explore all the features and opportunities it offers. AngelList is a fantastic platform for tech enthusiasts, developers, and entrepreneurs looking for job opportunities in the startup ecosystem. What makes AngelList stand out is its focus on startups and early-stage companies. So, if you're looking to work in a fast-paced, innovative environment, this platform is for you. It allows users to browse through remote and on-site positions in various fields such as engineering, marketing, design, product management, and more. One of the key features of AngelList is its ability to connect job seekers directly with startup founders and hiring managers. This is crucial for anyone looking to get an inside track into a company, bypassing the traditional recruiter process and building direct relationships with those who make hiring decisions. The platform also gives you access to detailed styled company profiles, allowing you to get a better understanding of the culture, mission, and funding stage of the startups you're interested in. The application process on AngelList is streamlined. There are no convoluted forms to fill out. Instead, you can apply directly with your AngelList profile, which serves as your resume. This makes the process quick and efficient, allowing you to send applications in a matter of clicks. AngelList also provides salary transparency for many of its job postings, allowing job seekers to see the salary range and equity options up front, which is a huge advantage when negotiating with potential employers. This level of transparency helps build trust between candidates and companies, ensuring that everyone is on the same page from the start. In conclusion, AngelList is an excellent platform for those looking to find work in the startup world. With its direct connections to founders, salary transparency, and a wide range of opportunities in tech and startups, it's a must-try for anyone looking to break into the industry. If you're ready to explore your next big opportunity, check out the link in the description below and get started today.